The surprising link between wildlife and your health. Did you know that the health of a wolf in Yellowstone National Park could directly impact your well-being? The connection between wildlife and human health is far more profound than most people realize. Let's explore this fascinating relationship and discover why protecting wildlife is essential for our own survival. Healthy ecosystems are the foundation of human health. They provide us with clean air and water, pollinate our crops, and regulate our climate. Diverse wildlife plays a critical role in maintaining the stability and resilience of these ecosystems. Wildlife contributes to a balanced ecosystem. Each species has a unique role to play, from the smallest insect to the largest mammal. This biodiversity ensures that ecosystems can withstand environmental changes and continue to provide essential services. Apex predators, like wolves and sharks, are particularly important. They control populations of other animals, preventing overgrazing and maintaining biodiversity. Their presence ensures a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Consider the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park. Their presence helped control elk populations, allowing vegetation to recover and stabilizing riverbanks. This, in turn, improved water quality and created a healthier ecosystem for all. The loss of apex predators can lead to ecological imbalances. Overpopulation of certain species can result in habitat destruction and decreased biodiversity. This can have cascading effects on water quality, agriculture, and even disease risk. These imbalances can have significant consequences for human health. For example, degraded water quality can lead to waterborne illnesses, while agricultural losses can result in food insecurity. Protecting apex predators is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems and safeguarding human well-being. Zoonotic diseases are illnesses that can be transmitted from animals to humans. These diseases pose a significant threat to global health, as evidenced by recent pandemics. Understanding the factors that contribute to their emergence is crucial for prevention. Deforestation, habitat fragmentation, and the wildlife trade increase the risk of zoonotic disease transmission. These activities bring humans into closer contact with animals and the pathogens they carry. This creates opportunities for diseases to jump from animals to humans. Human encroachment into wildlife habitats is a major driver of zoonotic disease emergence. As we clear forests and build settlements in previously wild areas, we increase our exposure to novel pathogens. This puts us at greater risk of contracting zoonotic diseases. Understanding disease dynamics in wildlife is essential for pandemic prevention. By studying how diseases circulate in animal populations, we can identify potential threats and develop strategies to mitigate the risk of spillover to humans. This requires robust surveillance programs and research into animal reservoirs. Surveillance programs can help us detect emerging diseases in wildlife populations. By monitoring animal health, we can identify potential threats before they spread to humans. This allows us to take proactive measures to prevent outbreaks. Strategies to reduce human-wildlife conflict are also necessary. By minimizing contact between humans and animals, we can reduce the risk of disease transmission. This can involve measures such as creating buffer zones around protected areas and promoting responsible wildlife tourism. For many communities around the world, wild animals are an important source of food. They provide essential nutrients and contribute to food security. Sustainable harvesting practices are crucial to ensure that these resources are available for future generations. Traditional medicines often incorporate animal products. These practices have been used for centuries and continue to play a role in healthcare in many cultures. However, it's important to ensure that these practices are sustainable and do not threaten wildlife populations. Research into animal physiology and behavior can also benefit human medicine. By studying how animals adapt to extreme environments or resist diseases, we can gain insights that could lead to new treatments for human illnesses. Wildlife is a source of potential medical breakthroughs. Consider the study of bear hibernation. Researchers are investigating how bears can spend months without moving, eating, or drinking, yet emerge without suffering muscle atrophy or bone loss. This research could lead to new treatments for muscle-wasting diseases in humans. Venom from snakes and spiders is also being explored for drug development. These venoms contain a complex mixture of compounds that can have potent effects on the human body. Researchers are investigating these compounds for potential use in treating pain, cancer, and other diseases. Wildlife is a treasure trove of potential medical discoveries. By studying animals, we can unlock new insights into human health and develop innovative treatments for a wide range of illnesses. Protecting wildlife is an investment in our own health and well-being. The presence of wildlife has significant psychological benefits for humans. Spending time in nature and observing animals can reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive function. These benefits are essential for our mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can lower blood pressure and heart rate. It can also reduce levels of stress hormones like cortisol. These physiological changes contribute to a sense of calm and relaxation. Nature can also improve our mood and enhance cognitive function. Studies have shown that spending time in green spaces can increase feelings of happiness and well-being. It can also improve attention span and memory. Wildlife tourism provides economic benefits to communities. It creates jobs and generates revenue, providing incentives for conservation. When communities benefit from protecting wildlife, they are more likely to support conservation efforts. Tourism can create a powerful economic incentive for conservation. When local communities benefit from wildlife tourism, they are more likely to protect wildlife and their habitats. This can lead to sustainable development that benefits both people and nature. Protecting wildlife is an investment in human health and well-being. By conserving wildlife and their habitats, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy the psychological, economic, and medical benefits that wildlife provides. It's a win-win situation for both humans and nature. Recognizing the deep connections between wildlife and human health is essential for creating a sustainable future. Our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the planet and the animals that share it with us. We must act now to protect wildlife and their habitats. It is crucial for creating a sustainable future for both humans and wildlife. By working together, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy the benefits of a healthy planet and a thriving wildlife population. The time to act is now. Sustainability is for both humans and wildlife. We must strive to create a world where both can thrive. This requires a commitment to conservation, responsible resource management, and a deep respect for the natural world. Ready to make a difference? Learn more about local conservation efforts in your area and find out how you can get involved. Support organizations dedicated to wildlife protection and advocate for policies that protect our planet's biodiversity. Every action, no matter how small, contributes to a healthier future for all. Donate, volunteer, and spread the word. Let's protect wildlife and safeguard our own health.